Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Armory SW agent.exe applications error that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So typically means there is a problem starting or running the Armory Crate software. The reason behind this issue is that NetFramework components are not enabled on your device, and the other factors include applications incompatibility, outdated versions, or corrupted software files. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable that NetFramework components. Kung paano ba natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang i-type dito yung control panel. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong control panel, so dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So i-click mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong programs and features, so dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung turn Windows features on or off. So click mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong Windows features on or off, so ang next step ay kailangan lang enable dito yung NetFramework. So may dalawang NetFramework dito na 3.5 and then Net 2.0 and then yung 4.8. So i-check mo lang yung box, and then yung pangalawa i-check mo lang yung box. And dito sa kanyang positive sign dito sa pangalawa na NetFramework 4.8, so i-click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang enable dito yung ASP.NET 4.8, and then yung pangalawa ito yung WCF service. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung OK. And wait natin na ma-complete yung searching for record files and then yung processing. And so once na-complete mo na siya, and then select mo lang dito, may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select ng let Windows Update download the files for you, and then yung don't download files, no changes. So i-select mo lang dito yung pinakauna mga kaibigan. Alright, and then i-follow lang yung screen instructions. And then dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, i-click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix the Armory SW agent. Do you want to allow these changes? And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.